Hi, just to let you know, I bought a 1977 fiberglass Boler trailer, and every Friday I'm going to post a video of the restoration project, but I'm just going to take you for a quick before tour of the condition so that you can see the progress of the trailer. But I'm really excited to go on some camping trips with it. So it's all original, this trailer. It has a lot of surface rust, so I bought some CLR. The vinyl on the inside is called elephant skin, so we're just going to clean it. It recommends, there's a site, boler.ca, and it tells you where to get new parts and that sort of thing. But they recommended not to paint the elephant skin if you can avoid it, to try and clean it first. So it recommended some cleaners too to use. So we're going to try and clean the elephant skin on the inside today, pull out all these wrinkly seals and replace them, or seams. And everything's fiberglass in here, so it should be pretty easy to clean and polish. Yeah, so this is going to be an adventure, and looking forward to it. This one has a bunk bed in it that folds up, and I can show you that when we're cleaning. It also has a sink, a stove, a two-way fridge that's has a two-way fridge that is propane or electric. Yeah, lots of storage space under the seat. It has a water reservoir underneath the trailer that needs to be replaced. So yeah, the frame looks good underneath, so we can probably get rid of that rust. I want to replace all the curtains to something bee related, and all the cushions. The man who sold it to me also gave me all the cushions that he took off, like the covers, so that I can trace them. I can sew, so hopefully I can make my own. But this looks like a fun little project, and I'm excited. Sleeping in the Boler. There's baby girl. Hello. I hope you enjoyed the tour and enjoy this process with us. I know it's not bees, but I know there's a lot of videos out there about people restoring these trailers, so I thought I would add to the fun. Take care. Have a good day.